Good morning, girls. Hope you have followed what we have done in the last class, children, regarding the CSA, TSA, and volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So it is understood that the cone volume is one third of the cylinder. Cylinder volume is pi r square h. And the ratios will be 1:3. Coming to the exercise 13.7, exercise 13.7, yes, in continuation of the last class, we are in the fourth sum, children. The volume of the right circular cone of height 9 centimeters is 48 pi centimeters cube. Find the diameter of the base. Yes, given the height and the volume. Cone height is 9 centimeters. Since you're not given the radius, take it as r, and volume is 48 pi. 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 48 pi, children. So you can cancel pi on both sides. So r square cross multiply 48 into 3 by 9. R square is equal to 16. R is equal to root of 16, which is 4 centimeters. Your question is find the diameter. Therefore, diameter is equal to 2r. 2 into 4, 8 centimeters. Coming to question number 5. The fifth question. A conical pit of diameter 3.5 meters deep is 3.5 meters diameter is 12 meters deep. Find the capacity in kilometers. For the conical pit, what are you given, children? Diameter and depth. Depth means what? Height. They are asking you all to find the capacity. Capacity means first volume. Because the dimensions are in meters, children, your volume will be in cubic meters, where you have to convert to kiloliters for the conical pit. For the conical pit, what are you given? Diameter. How much is the diameter? 3.5 meters. Radius r is equal to diameter by 2, which is equal to 3.5 by 2 meters. Leave it like that. Height h. How much is your height? Your height is 12 meters. Volume of conical pit. Volume of conical pit is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 the whole square into 12 meters cube. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 square, how many times? 2 times into 12 meters cube. Go for cancellation, girls. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, cancel 12. 7 goes 0.5. 22 into 5, 110 into 35. 550, 330, 3850. Put the point, 38.50 meters cube. 22 into 5, 110. 110 into 35 is 3850. 2 digits after the point, so 38.50. They asked you the capacity in liters, in kiloliters. Capacity in kiloliters. All of you know that 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. And 1000 liters is what, children? 1 kiloliter. So 1 cubic meter is equal to 38.5 into 1 kiloliter, which is equal to 38.5 kiloliters. Therefore, I hope you have followed, children. For the conical pit, given the diameter, we found out radius and height is given. To find the capacity, first volume. Your volume is in 38.50 cubic meters. The question is capacity in kiloliters. First of all, the cubic meters to liters. And all of you know that 1000 liters is equal to 1 kiloliter. Therefore, 1 cubic meter is equal to 1 kiloliter. So to convert the cubic meters to kiloliters, multiply by 1, that is equal to yes, coming to sixth question. The volume of the right circular cone is 9856 centimeters cube. The diameter of the base is 28 centimeters. Find the height of the cone. For the cone, what are you given, children? For the cone, you are given diameter. How much? 28 centimeters. Volume is how much? 9856 centimeters cube. Since you are given volume and diameter is given, so what is your radius, children? Diameter by 2. Diameter by 2, 28 by 2, that is equal to height. You are not given the height, children. And volume of the cone is how much? 9856 centimeters cube. 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to, use your values, 22 by 7 into 14 square into h is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 into h is equal to, yes, 7 goes how many times? 2 times. Therefore, h is equal to into 3, yes, divided by 22 into 2 into 14. 11 will go 2 times, 8 times, 88, 88 means 105. 105 means 99 times 896. Yes, 2 goes in 896. 14 divides how many times? 84, 56, 64 times. And 2 2s are 4. 4 divides how many times? 16 times. Therefore, h is equal to 48 centimeters. The height of the cone is 48 centimeters, children. First bit, height h is equal to how many centimeters? 48 centimeters. And coming to the second bit, children, what is the second bit? Find out slant height L. Slant height L, I think all of you remember the formula, the root of r square plus h square. Root of 14 square plus 48 square. 48 square, children. 8 8s are 64, 38, 32, 192, 10, 2, 3, 0, 4. That is equal to 10, 10, 2, 5. Yes, I think you can guess what is the square root of 2500. Therefore, it is 50 meters. The slant height is root of r square plus h.
Centimeters.
And coming to what? The CAC of the cone. The third bit, CAC of the cone is equal to pi RL square units. 22 by 7 into 14 into 50 centimeters square. Centimeters square. 7 divides how many times? 44 into 50 is 2200 centimeters square. Given the volume, you found out height using 1 by 3 pi r square h. Slant height formula is what, children? 50 meters, and the CAC of the cone is how much? 2200 centimeters square. Coming to the 7th question. A right triangle ABC with sides 5, 12 and 13 is revolved about the side 12 centimeters. Find the volume of the cone. Yes, a right triangle. Yes, children. A right triangle with sides is revolved about the side 5 centimeters with sides what? 5, 12 and 13 is revolved about the side 12 centimeters. Find the volume of the cone. It is revolved on which side, children? It is revolved on the side. These are the, which is the right triangle? ABC. The right triangle is ABC, children. Yes, 12, 5, 13. On which side it is revolved, children? That becomes the height and the other side becomes the radius. It is revolved on the side 12 centimeters. So 12 becomes the height and 5 becomes the radius. Yes, when right triangle ABC is revolved on which side? About the side 12 centimeters. Then the solid formed is a cone. The solid formed is a cone of radius r how much? 5, height h is equal to 12. Therefore, volume of the cone they asked you to find out. You remember the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. 1 by 3 pi r is how much? 5 the whole square into 12. 3 goes 4 times centimeters cube. 5 into 5 into 4 is equal to 100 pi centimeters cube. Take it as V1 because you need this relation for the second sum, children. Look at the board. The right triangle ABC is revolved about the side 12 centimeters. Then the solid formed is a cone of radius. On which side it is revolved, that becomes the height, and the other side is taken as a radius. So radius, height is 12, radius is 5. The volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units, which is 100 pi. The next bit is sum. The same cone is revolved above the side 5 centimeters. It is revolved above the side 5 centimeters. So this 5 becomes the height and 12 becomes the radius. When the right triangle is revolved above the side 5 centimeters, then the solid formed is a cone of radius. How many centimeters? 12, and the height becomes 5. R is how much, children? Into 12 square into 5 centimeters cube. 1 by 3 pi into 12 into 5 centimeters cube. Multiply, children. 4 5s are 20. That is 240 pi centimeters cube, which is V2. The question here is find the ratio of the volumes in question 1 and in question 7 and 8. Therefore, ratio of volumes is equal to V1 is to V2. V1 is 100 pi, children. V2 is 240 pi. Pi and pi will get cancelled. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So your ratio is 5:12. Coming to the last question in the exercise. Hope you have followed, children. The ratio of the volumes is equal to 5:12. Last question in exercise 13.7. A heap of wheat is in the form of cone. Given the diameter and height, find the volume. When diameter is given, radius, yes, and the height. The heap is covered by canvas, yes, for the conical heap. For the conical heap, what are you given, children? Diameter. I have been telling you from the beginning, children, whenever you do the questions in spheres, cylinders and cones, no way diameter, it is only radius that give you what is required. Radius R is equal to diameter by 2, 10.5 by 2 meters. Yes, if you want for your safety, you put it as, find the decimal value, 5.25 meters, and the height. How much is your height, children? It is, and the height is how many meters? The height h. The height is 3 meters. The first bit, find the volume. Volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h cubic units. 1/3 into 22/7 into 10.5 by 2 the whole square into 3 meters cube. 1/3 into 22/7 into 10.5 by 2 into 2 into 3. I think you can cancel, girls. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 2 goes 11 times. 7 goes 1.5. Multiply, children. Multiply. 11 into 15. 165 into 105. 5 5s are 25. 80. 82. 0. 165. 2. 13. 7. 1. 173.25. How much? Meters cube. Divide 86.625 meters cube is the volume. The volume of the conical heap is equal to 1/3 pi r square h cubic units. Cancel, multiply, denominator 2, divide, 2 divides 8 times, remainder 1, 2 divides 13 6 times, remainder 1, 2 divides 12 6 times, remainder 0, 2 divides 5 2 times, remainder 1, so 5 times. Coming to the last one, find the area, find the canvas required. Canvas required is what? It is the CSA of the cone. First to find out slant height. Slant height, without slant height, you cannot find out the canvas. Root of r square plus h square. Your r is how much, children? 5.25 the whole square plus 3 square. Yes, multiply carefully, children. 525, 5 5s are 25, 12, 26, 10, 5, 10, again 5, 2, 6, how much? 2, 25, 10, 12, 26, 2 5s are 10, 5, add carefully, girls, 16, 5, 7, that is 2756.25 plus 9, which is equal to, you know, addition, yes, plus 9, 15, 6, 27, 2765.25, go for square root, by long division. Put a comma after every two digits starting from the right. Remainder 2, 65. 5 plus 5, 10. 2 times how much? 204. 2 twos are 4. 1, 6. Bring down the last group, children. Plus 2 is how much? 104. I take away 1. Yes. 5 5s are 25. 2. Diameter is how much? Yes, diameter is 10.5, radius is 5.25. Oh, 4 digits, children. I'm sorry. After the point, you have 4 digits. 1, 2, 1, 2. Plus 9, that is equal to 36.5625. 36.5625. Go for square roots. 6 6 are 36. Plus 6 is how much? 12. Bring down the next group. It won't divide. Bring down the last group, children. Nearly how much? It is nearly 5 times. 4 times. Next time it will be more than that. It is 6.04 meters. Therefore, area of canvas required is equal to pi RL square units, which is equal to 22 by 7 into R 5.25 into 6.05 meters square. 7 goes how many times? 7.5. Multiply carefully. 75 into 22, 150, 150, 1650 into 605. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 80, 85, 0, 0, 30, 96 plus 3, 99, 8, 99. Put the points. How many figures, children? 1, 2, 3. 998.35 meters square. Hope you have followed, children. Homework. Exercise 13.7. Yes. 4 2 9. Redo.